Hi there, my name is Donald Garrity from CPAR Consultancy, and this is Unit 3 for the SAP BW for HANA in place migration. In this unit, we'll cover a detailed review of the BW for HANA pre-checker report. Agenda items. Overview of BW for HANA pre-checker report, a detailed review of the BW for HANA pre-checker report which we executed in Unit 2, and finally key takeaways. The BW for HANA pre-checker report is located in the BW for HANA transfer cockpit, transaction RSB4HCONV. This can be executed on any BW version. As you can see from the table below, this can be executed on 7.0 to 7.5. Please ensure you have the minimum support package installed. This report reviews all the metadata on the BW system and generates a report to highlight which objects are not compatible for the BW for HANA solution. The BW system migration cannot happen, in place migration to BW for HANA solution, until all these object types have been either converted to another object type, manually redesigned, or deleted. Now we'll do a detailed review of the BW for HANA pre-checker report which we executed in Unit 2. To view the output of the pre-checker report, you need to go to the transfer cockpit, transaction RSB4HCONV. In here you select show logs and you enter the date of when you executed the pre-checker report. The first thing to note is there is two color statuses, red and amber. Amber represents a warning, something that needs to be reviewed, or there is a transfer tool available. Red represents a manual action is required. The first warning message is to run the sizing report. This can be done in the transfer cockpit, transaction RSB4HCONV. The next message is the overall status message for the conversion to the BW for HANA. It's basically saying that the system is not ready to be converted. This is the overall status message. We now can drill down into the detail. The next two messages are similar to the overall status message, basically advising that the system cannot be converted to BW for HANA. The next is a warning message on authorization. Several standard authorization objects used in SAP BW are not available in BW for HANA. I'll do a separate unit on this topic in the future. The following message is the required actions before the system can be converted to BW for HANA. If we drill down into this message, we can see a number of items. The first item is the transfer tool. There are two transfer tools. One for 3.x to 7.x, which is RS migrate transaction. And the second is 7.x to BW for HANA compatible data flow, which is transaction RSB for H TRF. For 3.x data flow, you need to convert to 7.x, and then you need to convert from a 7.x to a BW for HANA. Within each item, you can see the object type and object that needs to be converted. The next item is the automatic cleanup. When the BW for HANA system migration happens, automatic adjustments and deletions will happen to the following object types. The next item is manual redesign. Certain object types, for example info sets, can't be converted using the transfer tool in RSB4HTRF transaction and need to be manually redesigned. I'm not going into detail on this item, but just like to point out that there is an OSS note available, 249-96706, which provides manual redesign of the BEX object types. The next item is BW planning. Integrated planning is allowed on the BW4HANA system, but requires BPC version 11 or greater to be installed. The last item is another item on the automatic cleanup. When the BW4HANA system migration happens, automatic adjustments and deletions will happen to the following object types. Key takeaways. BW4HANA in-place migration can only happen on a BW 7.5 system with a HANA database. BW4HANA in-place migration requires modification to object types that are not supported on the BW4HANA solution, for example, a multi-provider. The transaction RSB4HCONV is the BW4HANA transfer cockpit. And finally, the pre-checker report can be executed on any BW version. Thank you for listening, and if you need additional information, please visit our website at www.cparconsultancy.com. And if you have any questions, please contact us at services@cparconsultancy.com. Thank you.